Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to set up direct deposit with Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're tired of dealing with checks or waiting for payments, this guide will get your money flowing straight into your account effortlessly. Direct deposit is not only convenient but also secure, helping you avoid fees and delays. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app or website ready. In 2025, Wells Fargo has made this process even smoother with updated interfaces and enhanced security features. Start by opening the app on your smartphone or logging into your account on their website. You'll need your username, password, and possibly a two-factor authentication code for extra protection. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Services section. Look for the Direct Deposit option. It's usually under Manage Accounts or a similar tab. Click on that, and you'll see a setup wizard that guides you through the process. Now, here's where the fun begins. You'll need to enter your employer's details. This includes your employer's name, address, and their banking information if required. Don't worry, the app will prompt you step by step. Next, provide your Wells Fargo account details. Select the account you want the deposits to go into, like your checking or savings. Enter the routing number and your account number. These are easy to find in your account summary. Wells Fargo might ask you to verify this info with a test deposit or by linking your pay stub, so keep that handy. After that, review everything you've entered to make sure it's accurate. Double check for typos because that could cause issues later. Once you're confident, hit the Submit or Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Wells Fargo, and your direct deposit should be active within a few business days. And there you have it. That's how you set up direct deposit with Wells Fargo in 2025. It's a game changer for managing your finances. If you run into any hiccups, reach out to Wells Fargo's customer support. They're pretty responsive. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.